Hi everyone, I am Gennetta and this is Being GTV. So today I wanted to just go over a few of my favorite protein packed snacks. So first let's do savory. So turkey pepperoni is by far one of my faves. So this one I get from, this is by Market Pantry. I get it from Target. Per every 15 slices, it's about 70 calories and 8 grams of protein. So I love to just snack on these. And then I have the Tuna Creations by Starkist. This is the hickory smoked, and this is 110 calories and 18 grams of protein. This is my least favorite, but I still like it. This is my second fave. This is lemon pepper, 80 calories, 17 grams of protein. And this is by far my favorite. This is the hot buffalo style. This is 70 calories, 15 grams of protein. So you can eat these with bread or crackers or what have you. I typically just cut the pouch open, grab a fork, and just go ahead and eat it. So those are my savory snacks. When I want something sweet, I have my Two Good yogurts, and I've mentioned these before on my channel. This is the vanilla flavor. They have 2 grams of sugar, 80 calories, 12 grams of protein. And I don't eat them by themselves. I'll put fruit or I'll put nuts on the top of them with maybe a little bit of honey. And the only flavor that I enjoy is the vanilla. And then the protein bars by Protein One. The chocolate chip is my favorite. They are 90 calories, 10 grams of protein. And I have these in my car and my purse. And this is just a good snack on the go to give you a little bit of energy. And I've mentioned these as well before on my channel. This one is by Simply Balanced. This is a gluten-free nut clusters, vanilla, naturally flavored. It has 5 grams of protein per serving. And it's 140 calories per serving. It's about 5 pieces though per serving. So, and these are really, really tasty. It's a little salty and a little sweet. But I have been enjoying these. Also, the Barenaked granola bites. They are so good. And these, so the Simply Balanced is more on the crunchy, salty, sweet side. But the Barenaked granola bites, they're soft and chewy. And this is the coconut and cashew flavor. They also have sunflower seeds in it and cashew butter. So let's see. And the serving size is about 11 pieces. The calories is 160, 7 grams of sugar, and 4 grams of protein. So I have been enjoying these. And then another snack is just a protein bite that I'm going to make. I have to put the mixture together and then I'll show you guys. But it just has the oats, peanut butter, a little bit of honey. And you can add chocolate chips or dark chocolate chips to them, but I don't have any of those on hand. So for this recipe, we're just going to use these 3 items. I'll make a batch of just that, and then I'll make a batch of banana with oats, and then I'll try the sample of almond butter. I picked these up from Target. They're just samples of different almond butters. This is creamy almond butter. This is honey creamy almond butter. So we'll see what that tastes like. But let me get everything mixed up and then I'll be right back.
I didn't know love could ever feel like this. I didn't know body shivers from a kiss. Now I know it's been so very long. 'Cause it's been forever since I felt anything
that's it, guys. This is the final product. I will leave the recipe in the description box below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss any of my future content. And as always, I appreciate you for stopping by, and I hope you have a productive day. Bye.